Hey you, how you doing? In this tutorial we'll be looking at find and replace application. So from this tutorial to next couples of series, we'll be looking at the tools or the functions that is applicable in find and replace application. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this application would look like in our browser when we're done. And for a start, you can see here I have my text area right here, and I have my input box for my search and then replace with, and then this is a button you can apply the find and replace. So I made this very simple enough for you to see, because what I want you guys to do is to really create something like this. So I wouldn't want you to see my code. So what I did was to hide it. I left you alone with the HTML code, so I hid the PHP code. So because I'm going to test this application, then you see how it works. So first I can go ahead and type this is not the rest of it, right? You see that? So watch what happens when I want to change the word rest. Maybe now the word I'm looking for, that search for, I'm looking for the word rest, and I want to change or replace the word rest with something like this is not um, the maybe something like main. I just gave a name to this, so maybe something like main. So I want to replace the word rest with the word main. So when I click find and replace, see what happens. So it prints this on the screen for me. So you see this is not the main of it, but before it used to be best. So I'm gonna do that again. So this is it, right? So imagine I'm trying to replace the word it. So what I'm going to do when I click find out, now watch what happens when I click find and replace, and I haven't filled these input boxes. So it says please fill in the fields right. So I can go back and type this is not it. So I want to replace the word not. So I come here and look for the word not, and imagine I click on find and replace. It still says please fill in the fields right. So you must go ahead and fill everything. This is not it. So I can now choose not and say this is really it. So you can type the word really and then click on find and replace. So it prints on the screen this is really it. It used to be not, but now it's really it. So I want you guys to create this particular application. I know I'm supposed to be taking you all through the tutorial to show you how to create the application here, but I'm going to be giving you certain key requirements or certain functions. So in the next couple tutorials, I'll be giving you certain functions you need to create this particular application. So whenever you think the function is enough for you to create the application, you can just go right ahead and create an application like this. But this is just to show you how the application should look like. So at the end of the whole function and the whole little tutorials on this, I'm going to go ahead and then create this application for you guys to see the solution to it, in case you really didn't understand how it works. So this video tutorial is just mainly to show you about the application that you should be working on, and then the next tutorial I'll now introduce you with certain other functions. I just hope this tutorial is helpful for you to really grasp what I really mean about the application that we're going to work on, so you know what you'll be expecting at the end of the day. Like I said, I made this really bit simple because everything is just clear and neat and just plain and simple enough. There's no designing, there's no formatting of anything, just the application itself, just the PHP and a couple of the HTML in action. So guys, look up for the next tutorial, and I just um, advise that you like and then subscribe for more updates on this. Thank you very much, and bye bye. See you next time.